Boat Dock Movers Lanier here. We're going to go over how to change a dock cable. So as you can see, this cable is ran way out because the water level is so far down. The spool is about empty. The cable's already been extended once. What we're going to do is change this cable out. First thing we need to do is actually reel this cable in a little ways. Then we're going to disconnect it from the spool and temporarily tie it to the support here. And then we will re-spool the cable with fresh cable and run it back and disconnect.
Many minutes later.
I'm going to cut it, make a loop, put it around this pre-anchored post, and then we will let this dock out and tension it back. All right, we're in good shape. So we'll clean up our old cable and then it's time to move the dock out. Hercules. You don't want to have to do this yourself. You saw my boot get stuck in the mud twice. That'll happen to you. You'll have to fight that dock out. Let us do it for you. We will come by monthly and check your dock and make sure that the water level is appropriate. Contact us today. I'm gonna leave some info for that in the description. And thanks for watching.